Hello friends, in today's video we will discuss contemporary issues related to human rights. We will see this topic in two parts. First we will discuss various human rights violations happening across the world, and then we will discuss these human rights violations in the Indian context. So first let us see various human rights violations happening around the world. Now I have handpicked some of the human rights issues in the world that are recurring every year, every day. There are plenty of human rights violations and you can see it in the newspaper. Every day the newspaper is filled with plenty of issues related to human rights. Now the first issue that I would like to mention is the refugee crisis. We know the world is witnessing the highest levels of displacement on record. Highest number of people have been displaced from their homeland due to a variety of reasons. Around 7 crore people around the world have been forced from home by conflict and persecution at the end of 2018. In 2020, this number has only gone up. Now, if we move on further, I would like to mention two particular refugee crises to you. One is Rohingya refugee crisis because it is more related to our country and happening just in the neighboring country. The Rohingya refugee crisis, the Rohingyans are minorities living in Myanmar. They are Muslim community and they are minorities in their country. And they are forced from their home due to a variety of reasons. They are forced to flee their country and they are not provided any asylum in the neighboring countries. And these people are fleeing to Bangladesh, to India and other neighboring countries and are living in a very pathetic condition in very poor conditions, denied many human rights, and this is the condition of the Rohingyas living as refugees in various countries. Lakhs of Rohingyans are living in Indian states in the northeastern parts, and lakhs of people are living in Bangladesh. Anyway, they are forced to flee their homeland, Myanmar, and even they are provided asylum in the neighboring countries, their condition is very, very worse. Then the most important refugee crisis of this century is the Syrian refugee crisis. The Syrian civil war started in 2011 and following the persecution of the people, the Syrian people, plenty of people, around 12 million people flew from their country to other countries and they are not provided any support or living condition in any other countries, and they struggle to find a living, they struggle to exist in any other countries. Now let us move on to see various web sources that are mentioning this. So here you can see various news related to refugee crisis, and you can see the COVID has just worsened the refugee crisis, and all news that you see here are related to various refugee crisis. Now you can see here refugees and COVID-19, a closer look at the Syrian and Rohingya crisis. And if you look into that news, you can surely see at least 5 human rights violations happening to those people. Plenty of human rights violations are happening to the refugees. How COVID-19 has impacted the global refugee crisis. Italy migrant crisis, 180 migrants allowed off rescue ship, and so on. This list will continue. You can find at least a news about refugee crisis in every day's newspaper. And if you want to see images, you can see the living conditions of the people there. Just by seeing these images, you can imagine the plight of these people, the depth of their crisis. And about this one particular image, I would like to mention more, because this boy was in news when Syrian refugee crisis was at its peak. the people from the Syria were trying to escape to other countries, especially to Europe, where living conditions are very good. But many of them could not make it. Many of them could not cross the sea. And this boy, the body of this boy was in use many a times. And you can see this is the condition of many of the people who tried to escape Syria. Many could not cross the ocean, and even for those who could cross the ocean, they could not make a living in the country they reached. And if you want to have a look at the Rohingya crisis, this is the condition of the Rohingyan people. You can see the images, you can imagine their condition. And if you look at the news, there is news related to Rohingya every day. And at the time of shooting this video, just about 12 hours before that, refugees and COVID-19, a closer look at Syrian and Rohingya crisis. There is a Rohingya news once in every week. So this is the condition of Rohingya refugees and Syrian refugees. Syrian refugees resort to ever more desperate measures to maybe live. That might be the news. And their condition is getting worse and worse in the current global conditions. Now moving on to the next important human right violation criteria. The next issue is poverty. And when we mention poverty, we need to understand that 1 in 10 people in developing region is actually living below poverty line. And poverty is a very serious issue when coupled together with human rights violations. Plenty of human rights are actually linked with the right to live, right to have a life with dignity. And poverty is one issue that can impact a handful of human rights. You can see the living condition of various people in various countries, and in all those cases, the poverty is impacting the life of many people. Here you can see the images of various issues related to poverty, and just seeing their living conditions, you can imagine what all human rights of them are getting violated. Like the right to live, right to various civil rights, social rights, various economic rights, all those rights are violated in the case of when poverty is in existence. And if you move into news, you can see a lot of news comes in everyday's newspaper. As cases search, COVID-19 cases search, progress on poverty reverses. So poverty is not going to end soon. Fisherman ends life abroad, family in poverty at home. Poverty, inequalities on the rise. Poverty and inequality are directly related. All the forms of human rights violation are in a way linked to poverty. So poverty, the news related to poverty is in everyday's news. Now let us move on to the next issue. Racism. Racism is the discrimination based on race. It is in existence even in this century. Racism believes that the characteristics and abilities can be attributed to people simply on the basis of their race. And a lot of human rights violation, a lot of inequalities, injustice happen due to the concept of racism. Along with that, let me also mention the case of a lot of LGBT community, LGBT people. They are also discriminated based on their sexual orientation or gender identity. So all these forms of human rights violations are also happening. Let us move on to various web sources. So you can see here the images of racism. People based on their race is discriminated. Not only the African people, but also all forms of race are actually facing racism in one way or other. And if you move on to the news, you can see some form of racism. Some news related to racism is coming in newspaper every day. Christian Kabasel says racism online is worse than incidents in stadium. So even in the online community, racism is existing. And you can see a lot of racism and racism related news are in existence. Human rights violation due to racism is happening around the world. So that is about racism. If you move on to the issues of LGBT community are also facing a lot of problems around the world. And there are plenty of news related to this LGBTQ inequality in America. So inequality goes hand in hand with the problems of LGBT. Everywhere you can see some form of human rights violation related to this community. This is a worldwide issue. Now moving on to the next issue. Children. Human rights violation related to children. Around the world, millions of children are denied a fair chance for no reason other than the country, gender or circumstance into which they are born. So the children especially suffers the most brutal forms of human rights violation. Whenever an issue is happening, the children faces the most brutal form. If we move to various web sources, we can see different child rights issue happening across the world. Children are made to live in very poor conditions. Children are denied the right to education, right to live, right to grow. And all these forms of human rights violations are happening to children across the world. And if you move on to the news session, you can see even the child rights body are non-functional in many places. Then we have prevented her own child marriage. Child marriage is in existence in many places, and all those forms of human rights violations related to children are happening around the world. Justice system guaranteeing children's right in climate change issues needed. And children in lockdown, children's rights, COVID-19, and COVID-19 is impacting the children's rights. And all those forms of violations are happening to child rights. Now, climate change is another factor that is impacting the human rights. Due to climate change, a lot of people are facing issues, facing serious risks to their fundamental right to live, fundamental right for health, food, etc. And even climate change is displacing a lot of people. Climate refugees, the number of climate refugees are on a rise. Then climate change is also impacting the social, economic, political, cultural and legal aspects of societies around the world. So if you move to the internet and search about climate change, you can see the climate change is actually affecting a lot of people. See, the living condition of this section of people are actually affected due to climate change. They are forced to leave their home, their right to live, right to food, right to water, all those are affected due to climate change. So you can see the environmental pollution is impacting the right to have a dignified life. So all those forms of rights are actually violated due to human rights. You can just imagine what all human rights are getting violated due to pollution and climate change. Now moving on to the next human right violation. Terrorism is another issue related to human rights, and terrorists, by doing various acts of terror, attacks the values at the heart of Universal Declaration of Human Rights. You know, the war, various terrorist activities, various bombings and firings, all those are happening due to terrorism. And terrorism affects the right of people to live and to have a dignified life. If you look at the web page, you can see plenty of images related to terrorism, and all these shows the violence that is happening around the world due to terrorism. And daily there are some kind of news in the newspaper related to terrorism. UK fears of resurgent terrorism as COVID-19 lockdown ends. 2 more terrorists killed in Jammu and Kashmir, and all those sorts of news are coming in every day's newspaper. So I would also like to mention that sometimes the cause of terrorism itself is human rights violation. How do some people become terrorists? Because their some kind of right is violated and they are actually forced to become terrorists. So that should also be kept in mind while we speak about terrorists. So that is about terrorism, and the list goes on and on. These are just some of the issues that I would like to mention. There are a lot of issues related to human rights, and I want all of you to go and check today's newspaper and find as many as news that is related to human rights violation and human rights issues. I am sure that you could find at least 5 news related to human rights violation and human rights issue from today's newspaper itself. So I will give you as an activity to check today's newspaper and find some of the issues related to human rights violations. You can also find what human right is violated in each of the issue. So I hope you understood today's concept. I hope you got a thorough understanding about various human rights violations happening around the world. Thank you.